All right, roofing contractors, I got a question for you, and be honest, comment down below, be honest about it with your answer. I got a call yesterday to look at a roof for roof repair or possibly replacement. Everything's snow covered in my area still, so I type the address into my computer, Google Maps. I see it's date stamp 2019, so a few years ago. Could have been replaced, but I highly doubt it. Why would they be calling me? It was a 3-tab shingle in the photo, wind damage obviously on the front side from Google Maps. I work it in today. I'm here. And I'm just like, wow, I can't even see certain sections. I can't get on the roof, it's snow covered. I go over here and I set a ladder. Well, I can't even get, hey, let me just turn the camera here real quick. I am looking down here over this. It's all chained up, can't get through there, but I jump up on the fence and look over and I see something. I'm like, that just does not look good. It's not going to be repaired. It's probably going to be a full replacement, but I want to get around to it to see it. So I go around there. I get up here and the wrong material for the job. It's going to be a nightmare. Let's look at what I got right here. This is about a 212 pitch. It's probably way too low for shingles. It appears to be, I just noticed this just now, this is a dimensional shingle here. So this is a newer section than everything else that's 3-tab. You can see up there, that's a pretty sweet jet right there. Anyway, 3-tab, wind damage, not looking good. This is a nightmare to be. Missing its fascia board, it's all rotted. It's been neglected forever. That right there, inch thick of crap, was a thin piece of OSB that's clearly rotted, swelled up, just a mess. This is gonna be a disaster. But why I want to do this video and ask you guys to be honest in the question down below. You ever pull up to a job and you're like, I don't wanna do that. Let me step on down here real quick. I feel uncomfortable standing on this mound of tires here with these jagged foresty trees about to jack my eye up. Yeah, so shit's smacking me in the face and bumping into stuff. This is how it is everywhere. Let's walk out of here real quick. Just to get back here, I had to stomp stuff down. Thorns are so bad. It's like Fort Knox, they'd even keep prisoners in it, so damn bad. But you ever get out to a job like this, to quote, by the way, this is a vacant home. Just look what we got going on here. Oh, so the question, you ever get to a job and you're like, I want nothing to do with that. So the question is, do you just not reply? Do you drive right by? Do you go out and look at it? Do you take the time to quote it? Do you call them and say, I want nothing to do with it? Do you never reply back to them? Do you quote it high and know you're going to make a killing if you do? Let me know what you guys do. I get back to the backyard and I'm like, I want nothing to do with this. I don't want my reputation to be bad and not reply to them. But I also don't want to put time into it when we're probably not going to get the job. Because there's going to be many more people that are going to be cheap. So let's switch through and go through what I had to get through to get here. That dog's bark is annoying. Just a ton of thicket. All kinds of shit like this sticking me off camera. I was like, oh my God, it's probably a good thing the camera wasn't on. It was not feeling good to my fingers and my skin. Jack you up real quick. This is the better side. It's kind of a maze to get through here. Gotta watch your step. By the way, look at that. Man, there's a big old gap underneath the door. This is about the most open space. Yeah, I'm not gonna judge people, but the fact is I have the option if I want to quote it or not. Ow, I just walked into something. Gotta spin through here. This is a bit of a wide angle on the camera too. This is what I gotta work through to get through. Wow. Just be careful. You walk through here and your foot's gonna slide under something like this and then you're just eating shit and smacking your head into that. How do you even do a roof back there with this? I don't get it. Nothing on this roof looks good. Yeah, so what do you guys do? Remember, be honest. Comment down below. Let me know. I'm just curious. I set my ladder up right here. This is another flat section. It appeared to have like TPO on it, so I'm like, not bad, but it's so snow covered, ice covered, I didn't even want to get up on there. I tried to set the ladder up right here. I'm like, nope, not feeling it. And I see this, and I'm like, holy hell, no way. This has all got to be cleaned out, thrown away, before I even think about quoting something up here. What do you guys do? Let me know. I'll probably call them and tell them, hey, it needs a roof replacement. If you want to be cost conscious, you might want to call some other people because it's not going to be me. Let me know down below. Appreciate it. Sorry for the different random video. Until next time, be safe. We'll see you then.